Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. Today we want present about the case study one. Okay, the group member is me, Rasyid bin BAHARUDIN, and Luqman bin SALIM. Our lecturer is Muhammad Fazli bin Yahya. Okay, the instruction, answer the question. This is about a backup. Okay, for this question, we need to choose two of the type backup in network, and we need to compare each other to make a conclusion that what the backup is easy to use to people. Okay, the content has four. Okay, the first is using Ubuntu server currently the test version. Okay, in this case we discuss to use my Ubuntu server. Okay, second is manually set up the IP using a plan as the below criteria. Okay, for this case, we choose two backup. The first is Restic Backup, and the second is the Backup Ninja. Okay, the first we explain about the Restic Backup, and the IP address is .50. Uh, to insert or to insert the IP, we need to use the command cd etc netplan. After that, we use the sudo nano 00 installer config.yml. After that, we insert the IP address. The address is 192.168.50 and 50/24. The gateway, we use the .1, and the DNS, we use the 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4. After that, we use the sudo net apply to update the IP address. To verify the IP address, we use the command ifconfig to check if the IP address is updated. If update, the IP address we stick here 192.168.50 and 50. After that, we update the Ubuntu server sudo update, sudo apt update. After that, we install the Restic Backup, sudo apt install backup, sudo apt install Restic to install the file. After that, we use the command restrict -r emp restrict to initial, and the password we use the restrict 01. After that, we list the file in snapshot using the command ls al. Here we will see the file in the backup. After that, we create the example backup, the backup dot, and after that, the file is created, and here we will see the backup in the backup file. After that, we show the backup snapshot using the one restrict method as snapshot. Okay, after that, we will see the backup just we add, and we restore the backup. The backup is changed, and show again the backup snapshot. Here, the first we update, we will see the time we update the backup. The first is here, and second, the time is different. All the record that we update the backup will appear here. Second is about a backup ninja backup. The IP is .60. We use the example command like Restic Backup, cd etc netplan, sudo nano 00 installer config.yml. Here we insert the IP 192.168.50.60/24, and the gateway dot one, and the DNS still same as Restic Backup. Okay, then this DHCP2. After that, we use the sudo network apply to update the IP address. To verify the IP address, we use the command ifconfig to check the IP address is updated or not. After that, we update the user server, and then we install the backup ninja, sudo apt install backup ninja to install the file. After finish install the file and the tab is appear, we choose the, we click OK. After that, set the GTMK as the system main name and set up the backup type. We use the command sudo ninja helper. Okay, the tab is here and we choose MySQL, click OK. Enter the directory to store the backup. We choose the directory, click OK. And do you want to backup all the database? And we click yes. And then we choose the password. Select the specific, the MySQL user like Rasyid, we use Rasyid, and specific password like GTMK ALIS123. After that, we select the SQL dump, and after that, the MySQL backup is done. Okay, after done, install the MySQL backup, we're able to edit, to view, or test the configuration. After that, we click OK and we select new, and the type we choose a type backup. After that, we enter the path name like sa.com, click OK. Next, we choose the name like OSSA and determine the place to store and choose the gzip. Click OK. After that, we enter the include and exclude participant unit. Like that. PC, home, user local, TMP. After complete, we click OK and the MySQL2 has been set up. After that, we choose the lead ninja helper and click OK. Okay, next, I will ask to Luqman to continue.
Okay, so thank you for Rashid. Thank you for explaining to us about the Restic Backup and the Backup Ninja. So now I will continue our slide with comparison between Restic and Backup Ninja. So at the aspect ease of use, the first one is Restic is interface may require learning curve, but Backup Ninja text file configuration relatively simple. So this means that between Restic and Backup Ninja, ease of use, the Backup Ninja wins because it is much simpler than the Restic one. So next one is flexibility. So the Restic is support multiple storage options, encryption, deduplication, while Backup Ninja has versatile supports various backup methods. And the next one is supported platforms. For Restic, we have Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Backup Ninja, we have Unix-like system, Linux or BSD. So I think for the supported platform, Restic win because it have much more options than the Backup Ninja. And then the next one, the aspect performance. So Restic efficient deduplication, fast backup speed. While Backup Ninja has efficiency depends on underlying backup tools. So here, we can conclude that Restic wins again because it has efficient deduplication and fast backup speed, while Backup Ninja relies on the backup tools. Next one is security. So the Restic one is built-in encryption and secure design, while Backup Ninja have security depends on underlying backup tools. So here, the Restic wins again for the aspect security. And last but not least is community. Restic, we have active community and regular updates. And Backup Ninja, we have supportive user community and somewhat limited official support. So here, Restic wins again because it have regular updates, but Backup Ninja have somewhat limited official support. But both have good user community. Okay, so the conclusion that we can conclude is if you want an easy backup solution, go for Backup Ninja. It is simple to set up and has a user-friendly interface, perfect for teams. Restic is powerful but needs more technical know-how because it's command line interface on complex configuration. So if you want to go for the simplicity, simply choose the Backup Ninja. But if you want to go for the more dependable uh, backup, you can go for the Restic. But then you need to learn the technical know-how because it has command line interface and complex configuration. So that is all from us. So thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.